Again, middle snood, the one above the lead, that's doing all the damage. Another nice fat decent whiting on a low worm tip for a bit of squid. Right, let's get this unhooked, we'll get it back. Well, we're having a good day in a minute. So hopefully something a bit bigger. Nice bass or ray or smooth ham will do. But I'm not complaining, 3 fish. Not been here an hour. What result? Right, let's get this unhooked. There he is. Right, I'm going to bring this in. I'm going to bring my big bait in. Check that. And we'll get that cast out again. And away.